All right, here's our last page of the review. Now, polygons are similar, so they tell us they're similar. Find the values of the variables. So, if they're similar, we can say a couple things. I could say that 2x. So I'm going to try and find out what this is first, right here. It says that this is 100 degrees outside here, so that this is going to be 80 degrees. It's kind of confusing in there, but I would say 2x equals 80. So I get x to be, whoops, x is 40. Okay? Because this angle here was 100 degrees, meaning this whole angle here is 80. All right, and then the corresponding angles. Now I can start with my y's. So I could say y over 2. So this over this, the big side over the little side, over the little one, corresponding to, let's do this 12 over 4. 12 over 4. So I get 4y equals 24, y equals 6. Okay? And now I'm going to try and find z. So if I plug 6 in up here, I get 3 times 6 minus 2. 18 minus 2 is going to be 16. That side is 16. So I'm going to say 16 over z. So this side right here over this side equals, we'll do 12 over 4. So I get 12z equals 16 times 4, 64. Z equals 16 over 3, or a decimal after we reduce. Okay? All right, let's take a look at this next one. I'm going to try and find y first, so I'm going to compare y this side to this side. So I say y over 2.5 equals, well, now I'll say this side over this side, 8 over 5. I get 5y equals 8 times 2.5 is 20. Y equals 4. Okay? Now we can look at our two different triangles. We want to draw them. So I'm looking at this one right here compared to my big one. I'll just redraw my big one. This side is 8. 6 plus 2. The bottom is x. Okay? So I'm going to say 6 over 8, corresponding sides, equals 9, the bottom of the small triangle, over the big bottom. I cross multiply, I get 6x equals 72, x equals 12. All right, 25. Let's change colors here. Let's try a little orange. So I'm going to look at this triangle right here compared to the big triangle. Well, the bottom is 15 on the big one. This whole side right here is going to be 4 plus x. So x plus 4. Okay. All right, now I can set up my proportion. So I can say 4 over x plus 4. I'm going to do the side over this side equals 5 over 15. And put that in parentheses. I'm going to say 5 times x plus 4 equals 4 times 15 is 60. Okay, this turns into 5x plus 20 equals 60. I'm going to continue down here. I get 5x equals 40 when I subtract the 20, and I get x equals 8. All right. So I just made more room on my paper. You guys have one page for this, so just so I can write. Number 26, when a 6-foot man casts a shadow 18 feet long, a nearby tree casts a shadow 93 feet long. So 6-foot man, and he casts a shadow that's 18 feet long. Nearby, there's a big tree, okay, and it casts a shadow that's 93 feet long. How tall is the tree? That's the setup right there. So 6 over x equals 18 over 93. We get 18x equals 6 times 93 is 558. Divide by 18, x equals 31 feet. Okay? We should set that picture up. And the last problem, Hank is 6 feet tall. I'll put him here. He measures the shadow of a tree and found it to be 30 feet long. He then measured his own shadow and it was 10 feet long. How tall is the tree? Well, here, let's do it like this. So Hank is 6. His own shadow is 10. This whole thing right here, from here to here, is 30. So we can break it up into two triangles just like we did before, and I could say 6, 10. This is 30. We want to know how tall the tree is right here. Oops. Okay, I can break this up and go up to there. So now I'm going to say 6 over x equals 10 over 30. 10x equals 6 times 30 is 180. Divide by 10, I get x equals 18 feet. Okay, that's it.